champagne and Bottega. Yeah, we fresh for the and only we rap man whenever. Y'all them loving it, but my brother. Little vibes, AP and Popcaan freeze. Well, boy, y'all and put them on it.
I don't know how to explain being in the middle of, Bounty and Vybz Kartel. That would just never happen. There's no side for pick.
I can't be Vybz Kartel. I can only be likkle. Definitely feel a lot of pressure. Those are really big shoes to fill. Listeners of Dancehall have this high expectation of me and my brothers. But we're making our own name in Dancehall. Building my own lane. The people will see the growth because I'm putting in the work. I'm in the studio every day to become my own person in Dancehall and not be overshadowed by my father.
I was Riley, I said that one, but when I lie still, man, I trust popcorn.
That was PG-13, Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addy. Now we know them as UTG. I say, yo, them not just popcorn. So this is very significant. For see Likkle Vybz and popcorn, I do a song right now. I remember them a support popcorn nephew. That a Joel, I am the producer, you see me? What they we talk about Vybz Kartel and popcorn, they on the same rhythm, which is popcorn nephew rhythm. The video there, it not get a lot of views, So make sure say you go watch that. And also, make sure say you go watch the video over my main channel where I drop before I drop this. I go remind you again at the end of the video. And Spice says she no pick no side with Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer. And Likkle Addy remind the public say we are doing our own thing. And it's very difficult being the son of Vybz Kartel. You see me? Because everybody expect them to be. Because everybody judge them as Vybz Kartel son. But people, we are going to reason about everything. This is not shop talk and this is not bar talk.
This is real talk.
Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
But welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk, and I'm a host DJ Dreadbeard. If a real talk I make you just drop a real talk in the comment section. Like the video, share the video, subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, you drop a super thanks in the comment section or join my membership. The link to the membership, me I go pin it in the comment section. So yeah man people, this is why me no follow the unruly vlogger. Me no go tit for tat. Him will over there this Vybz Kartel brawling. Me not go lose my credibility because me I try go tit for tat with a vlogger. Remember say a professional vlogging me do. And if you want to call it professional trolling over the main channel, DJ Dreadbeard React. A professional in me vlog, so me vlog with psychology, so me not go see because a unruly vlogger this Vybz Kartel I tell him about him mother. Me I go disrespect popcorn. Yeah, me will shade popcorn because popcorn himself a shade Vybz Kartel. So that is why me always tell you know. I think last year me have the little psychology class there where me I say you will have your right and end up wrong. Because you will see popcorn and Vybz Kartel unfollow each other and you trigger happy and start this popcorn. Or you trigger happy like the unruly vlogger and start this Vybz Kartel. And so now Vybz Kartel and popcorn upon the same rhythm. Vybz Kartel a help out popcorn nephew. Now you see Likkle Vybz and popcorn have a song. Remember say even when the unfollowing go on, unfollowing, then them follow back each other, then them unfollow each other. During all of that, Likkle Vybz now unfollow popcorn, Yeah, so that's why I always say, you will have your right and end up wrong. Oh, you're right. You know say your popcorn a shade Vybz Kartel. And him a listen to him vlogger and him vlogger a say something where it sound like a him and popcorn attack behind the scenes. But in front of the scenes, a popcorn and Likkle Vybz that.
I can't be Vybz Kartel. I can only be likkle. Definitely feel a lot of pressure. Those are really big shoes to fill. Listeners of Dancehall have this high expectation of me and my brothers. But we're making our own name in Dancehall. Building my own lane. The people will see the growth because I'm putting in the work. I'm in the studio every day to become my own person in Dancehall and not be overshadowed by my father.
Yeah man, as me say, PG-13 forward a long way. Now popular known as UTG, Uptown Gaza. Yeah man, yo, them man have more hits than enough artists, in them peers, Cause enough artists are one hit wonder, two hits wonder, and we don't hear nothing from them. Them man have hits we play in a dancehall, you see me? Especially what day when them a find Blackyard and Brother Dat and Lemonade and them song there. Man a the match and shatter them a pre the dollar sign. What heap of hits the man them have? The man them a find more hits, but me I tell her say, if them man a did a find the same hits and them never known to be Vybz Kartel sons, trust me, it would have easier for them. Because just the Vybz Kartel name alone, bro, trust me, it really overpowering and overshadowing. Because people are judge them and I say, yo, yeah, it's them. Just like how them judge Vybz Kartel now, the song them with Vybz Kartel I don't know. Them judge it with the song them where in a 07, 08, 09, the whole cartel versus the cartel now. And that them do with Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addy. Them judge them after the songs them with Vybz Kartel do. While other artists, them get judged with for them mediocre song them, you know. Well, me not this no artist, but other artists can do mediocre song and people praise it and say, yo, a hits. Them man have to find a hit. You see me? A hit will surpass certain songs for people call it hit. Them not just call them on a regular song a hit. So that you must say right. That's why people really judge them hard as Vybz Kartel kids. And a real talk, bro. Trust and believe me, say a real talk me I make. Them not judge them fairly, just like how them not judge Vybz Kartel fairly. No. You see me? Yeah man, are the same metrics them I use. You see me?
I've never heard Kartel say anything bad about Bounty.
Yeah.
So I don't know how to explain being in the middle of, Bounty and Vybz Kartel. That will just never happen. There's no side for pick.
Yeah.
I think Vybz Kartel, me knowing Kartel and the space where him not in no vibe, no tension with nobody. Them man, they just at peace,
No, but we're not talking about now. But there was a time when it was weird.
You mean like back in the day when they were going,
you know what I'm saying? Back in the days.
Yeah, but Kartel is a change man now.
Oh, definitely, 100%.
Not a back in the day person again.
That's a whole different person now, and a very more, social person now. Right. If that makes sense.
And guess what the funny thing I would say, and just to close the conversation, being around both of them, I've never heard Kartel say anything bad about Bounty. Like, I don't even know, when you see the things on social media, me myself confused. Because you know the love and the reason the Kartel have for Bounty.
Yeah.
And say Bounty rate Kartel probably the same. So it's like, there's nothing for me if it go in the middle.
So as I said earlier, over the main channel, and it's a reason why I play about this over here, so because YouTube now push it over the main channel, so I just say, alright, here we are. I go drop it over here, so any one of them YouTube push, them just push it. And the same message I go out, right? So as me say, Spice a bit diplomatic. Because Spice knowing herself say, Vybz Kartel no do nothing all now to Bounty Killer. So there's no beef between Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel. I really, Bounty Killer getting them feelings for whatever reason. Out of the blues. Nobody don't know where it stem from. Same thing with Massacre. Nobody don't know where it stem from. Josh just come out and say what he must say, but clearly something that go on behind the scenes. Why Josh said that? So the same thing now with Killer. Nobody don't know where it stem from. So Spice mentored by the two of them, both Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel. So she do the right thing and I said the right thing by being diplomatic on an interview. Enough artists need to learn from Spice too. Interviewer asks you a question. Interviews are very powerful. Spice could have answered one next way and people start beat Spice. Simple. People just start beat Spice because she answer wrong. You see me? So a lot of artists need to learn from Spice. You see both Vybz Kartel and Spice, they media train without going to school and be trained for the media. Big up yourself again, Spice. Very diplomatic answer. But we know up on the ground, no say is a diplomatic answer because there's no beef between Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer. As me say, it take two for tango and it one-sided. You see me? One man a throw shade and one man a ignore it. So that's clearly not no beef or no clash or no war. Yeah man, but if a real talk, me I make you drop a real talk in the comment section. You like the video, you share the video, you subscribe if you're new, support the channel by dropping a super thanks or joining my membership. You see me? But people, go over me main channel and continue the reasoning. You see me? YouTube now push it, and when you hear me say more while, I'll take a break or give YouTube a day. One whole day, you not see me for. Sometimes I them things. Sometimes I drop a video and the video not do good. So why me if I rush and go drop a next video and the first one never do good? For YouTube do the same thing to it again. Some more time I just wait a day. So there are videos out there where you not watch yet. Alright people, you see the thumbnail on the left? That's the first video when I do about Vybz Kartel and Popcaan on the same rhythm. and him a give Popcaan nephew a strength. You see the video on the right, and the video where I talk about what I do, and YouTube now push it. That are over my main channel. Or if you don't watch the two of them yet, you can watch the one on the left and just go over the main channel. That are the channel where I collab with, and go watch the video where I drop this morning where YouTube now push. You see me? So I just use the video to promote the video there too. That are one of the function of this channel. But anyway, people, I am DJ Dreadbeard. This was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out. Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.